Hello children, welcome back to your science class. In our previous class we had started the discussion of respiration and now we are going to see how the breakdown of glucose takes place with the various pathways. Okay, so now glucose in presence of oxygen in cytoplasm gives pyruvate. What it gives children? Pyruvate. And this pyruvate, it's observed in three different situations, three different steps you can say. First in mitochondria, second in muscles, and third in yeast. So when it is in mitochondria, of course the oxygen is present. Okay, so what is the product that you will get? CO2 plus H2O plus energy is seen. First situation children, it was presence of oxygen. Now see what happens when there is absence of oxygen. Lactic acid plus energy in muscles, where it is happening in the muscles. And third is absence of oxygen, that is in yeast. Ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy is formed. So over here you need to remember what are the products formed. In each of the situation, when the oxygen is present, CO2 plus H2O is formed along with energy. When absence of oxygen is there, lactic acid is formed, and absence of oxygen in yeast, ethanol plus CO2 is formed. Now see what is the difference between breathing and respiration. So, breathing is intake of fresh air and removal of foul air. Breathing is the process in which fresh air is taken in and foul air is removed. Oxidation of food to form carbon dioxide, water and energy is called respiration. Physical process, yes, breathing is a physical process, and respiration, it is biochemical process. In breathing, no energy is released, rather it is used. Extracellular process is seen in breathing, whereas in respiration, energy is released in the form of ATP molecules, and it is intracellular process. Breathing, no enzymes are involved. In respiration, large number of enzymes are involved. Breathing confined to certain organs, whereas respiration occurs in all the cells of the body. So in this way, these are the points of difference between breathing and respiration. So now, I hope you all have understood the process of respiration. Now we are going to quickly see in short what is transportation. So if I ask you what is the meaning of transportation, you will definitely tell me to pick up something from one place and drop it to another place. Am I right? This is what comes to our mind. Yes, in our body also there is one organ who is doing this process of transportation. Okay, and what is that organ, how it works, we are going to see about it systematically one by one. Before that, let us see what is transportation. Transportation in human beings, it is the main system of the human beings. Why? Because the main thing that should happen inside the body is transportation of food, transportation of nutrients. It consists of blood, arteries, veins, capillaries and heart. What are the members of this transportation system? Blood, arteries, veins, capillaries, all these are the members. Okay. Blood transports food, oxygen and waste products. Okay, it consists of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells. Everybody must be aware of RBC and WBC. Red blood cells transport oxygen, while blood cells kills harmful microbes. Okay, Now what these arteries do, they carry pure blood, and veins, they carry impure blood. Pure blood from heart to all the parts, and impure blood from all the parts to the heart. And what are the capillaries? They are very narrow blood vessels which connects arteries and veins together. So I hope children you all are clear till here.